This is what $84,000 get you in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Let's go. All right, so listen, I just picked up this property for $84,000. Renovation budget is probably gonna be around $30,000. Let's see if we can stay under that. If you're looking behind me, this tree is really huge. I gotta make a decision if I'm going to cut back the limbs or get this tree out of here. So I'm gonna, compare and see what's best. If I get all the limbs off, of course, taking the limbs back will be cheaper. And what I mean by that, how the limbs sit on the house, I'll just take all that out, but I want to take it all out from the front as well, because it's just not appealing. This is the driveway. Driveway is cool. As far as the outside of the house, natural brick paint actually does very well. And being that people prefer that and it's selling, not painting this is gonna save me about $2,000. So I'm probably not gonna paint that. I'm gonna just power wash the brick, bring back that natural color. You need a masonry to fix these steps over here. Let's go in the house and see what we got. Now, you guys can't smell it, but this house smells like death. It's pretty bad. I refuse to open that refrigerator. All right, boom. This is the living room, right? So all this flooring is gonna come out. What I'm gonna do is this carpet right now, that smell is in the carpet, that's gonna come out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a ceiling fan there. Every bedroom will be get a ceiling fan as well. It does have an HVAC unit. Since we're here, let's start with the kitchen first. Oh, the fridge is leaking. Man, y'all lucky y'all ain't gotta smell this. So, again, I refuse to open that. This is your kitchen. Kitchen is tiny, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I am gonna add some cabinets, right? I'm gonna add some cabinets. I don't like that the washer is here. I'm gonna assume that the dryer probably goes over there. I gotta get all this stuff out. And I'm gonna get the guys to clean this up. Yep, look at the flies. I know it's magnets in there. I wonder if I could get a dishwasher in here. I have to redo this to get a dishwasher. Yeah, all that's gotta go. So add some cabinets, make this kitchen. I wanna try something. I personally never tried. I wanna go with a butcher board countertop, right? And I think that'll look really good in this house, man. Here's the bathroom. Bathroom is terrible. We're gonna tile up the bathroom. New vanity, new mirror, definitely new fan, new light fixtures. I have no idea what that is. Well, don't hurt yourself in here. And we're going to tile up this bathroom. I might keep this tub, just refinish it. Here you have bedroom. I'm gonna go with all new doors. These doors, they so old school, and I'm not trying to go with those. I want to open that closet, but I'm kind of scared, so I'm not gonna open the closet. I'm gonna just let the guys do clean out. Bedroom. I mean, same thing here. New light fixture, flooring, everything has to come out. Each dumpster is gonna run you about $500, so keep that in mind. This is a lot of big, bulky stuff, unfortunately. Now, that's pretty much the inside of the house. Let's check out what the back looking like. This is all terrible. That has to go. I gotta get that all cleaned up. That has to go. I think that roof still has life in it, so I might keep the roof. Once that tree, gets out the way, then it'll look a lot better. The unit still works, I was told. I probably have to get it serviced. That's basically the house, man. It's for $84,000, budget $30,000. So the house is worth $84. I'm sorry, I bought the house for $84,000, budget's $30,000. This house is worth right now probably around 165-ish or so. 165. If I can be all in, 115. I'm gonna give myself 30. If I be all in 115 instead of 165, that's a good day, because this is an easy rehab. This is easy. This is nothing. Yeah, we're at 165 on this, but my realtor wants to get aggressive. There's been some good stuff going on in here. She wants to list this for it's been to sell for like 185, but I gotta really do that kitchen the right way and tile up that bathroom. So we'll see, man. But this is what 84,000 get you, man. And I will show you guys the after, and what I'll do, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Can you buy a house for $84,000 where you live at? Can you get a house for $84,000, or is that unheard of? This is in Rock Hill, South Carolina. This is not in Charlotte. Charlotte, that's unheard of. But here, you can do that. So with that being said, man, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you click on that video that's next to me, man. Keep the channel running. Let's go.